Different masks serve different purposes. Some preserve beauty, some can get you candy, and some disguise your identity as a tormented soul with intense need to carry out justice. Currently, we need masks to prevent viruses going from people to people during the COVID-19 pandemic. The creativity and the resourcefulness of people around the world is inspiring. I put all of these innovative masks into 4 different categories. 1, early Halloween. No need to wait till October. Break out your costumes now. I have seen funky face masks, rubber heads, and full-body dino suits, although some of them might cause nightmares. 2, laundry day. Surprisingly, bras and panties make pretty convincing looking masks, and I can see how pads can be considered an alternative. 3, MacGyver. Snorkels, water bottles, with a bit of imagination and a lot of duct tape, anything can be a mask. 4, going vegan. I imagine these fruits and vegetable masks will smell pretty good at first, and they're biodegradable too. I am not going to rate how effective these masks are. I'll leave that to medical professionals. What I do know is, being in New York City, we're in the center of the pandemic, and our hospitals need a lot of masks. And they're working with different groups, just like the one I'm in, to make fabric masks for all the healthcare professionals and staff. Here's my friend Tracy, who is making masks right now.
Hey Bunny, so good. Now, yes, so Bunny is part of the 150 strong team. We have contacted the hospitals. We know what is needed and where they are needed. So it's really been done properly, guys. This is an amazing initiative, and I'm super excited to be part of it. We got beautiful photographs of some health professionals who'd received their masks and are truly grateful, because these are actually washable. So these can be washed. And they can be reused, which is great. So then at least they're getting a lot out of it. But guys, I just want to say a big thank you to all those workers to those doctors and nurses and people that have come from different states. And it's just such a heartwarming thing. They were going through a tough time, but we are going to make it through. We have to make it through together.
I know I'm trying to make my videos on the lighter side and showing the resilientness of people around the world, but please don't underestimate just how much of a crisis we're in right now. And let's not let our guard down. This is a very, very serious thing, and we need to all pull together and get through this, like Tracy said.